So guys, for the first step, we need to know if our computer supports hardware virtualization and hardware DEP. So you want to head over to the link, which will be down below in the description, and you want to download SecurAble. So you're going to scroll down and then click on download now. Now I'm going to install this. Click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to make sure that hardware DEP and hardware virtualization both say yes on it. If one of them say no, this tutorial will not work for you. So they must both say yes. For me it says no, which means that this is not going to work for me, but I'm just showing you just for this tutorial. So if both of them say yes, you can continue watching, and if one of them say no, you have to click on the video because it's not going to work for you. So make sure that both of them say yes. And the hardware virtualization may also say locked on, and it's going to be in green. So it's going to either say yes or it's going to be saying locked on in green. If it says no, it's not going to work for you. And if your hardware does support both of these, now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find Hyper-V. You want to scroll down a little bit. You want to find Hyper-V. You want to tick this, and then you want to expand Hyper-V. You want to tick everything that will come under here. For me, it doesn't let me because I'm using a virtual machine, but you want to tick everything that will come under Hyper-V, and then click on OK, which is now going to install it. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on Restart Now. Restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.